Hi, my name is Jelly. I hold a degree in financial managerial accounting and I have over 7 years of professional experience in the field. I had an opportunity to work on a variety of projects in business industries of real estate, construction, e-commerce, and software development with international companies such as UK, Australian, and US-based companies. Uh, I worked with, I was responsible for managing financial reports and conducting internal audit, clean up financial report as well. And my background includes in full cycle of accounts payable and accounts receivable, bank reconciliation, balance sheet reconciliation, reviewing trial balance, and reconciliation of general ledger, cash flow, and profit and loss. In addition to that, I have strong Excel and Google Sheet skills and experience with different accounting software such as QuickBook, Online and Desktop, MYOB, Zero Accounting, NetSuite, Sage, and SAP. And yeah, that's all for me. I'm excited about this opportunity to bring my expertise in a new challenge. Looking forward to talk to you soon. Thank you.